Hi class, let's take a look at this problem here. We're basically looking at the validity of a polygraph, which is a lie detector, and we want to find out if the lie detector is capable of determining if the person is lying or not. Alpha is 0.05. They give me the data right here. So what I can do is I can just directly open this in statcrunch. So click on open in statcrunch. I'm going to solve this in statcrunch. And it gives you this result that you see right here. So the first thing I need to do is I need to determine the null and alternative hypothesis. Remember that we're going to use a chi-square test, and I'm trying to determine if there is a dependency. So the dependency is going to be the alternative statement. So right off the bat, I can eliminate C and D because they don't include the words independent, they have accurate. So C and D are out right off the bat. B is also out because it says, the alternative statement says is independent. So therefore A has to be the choice. Now let's find the chi-square. So let's go to statcrunch. Here's the data right here in its tabulated form. So just for future reference, if you ever try to do a contingency table in statcrunch, this is basically how you have to set it up. Go to Stat, Tables, Contingency with Summary. Okay, and then we want to select the columns. So the columns are going to be did not lie and lied. And then we want to select the row variables, and that's going to be did not lie. The row variable is going to be, the row labels are going to be, let's try that one here, see if we can make that one work. Okay, because they did not, basically it's everything in the rows. So we're just going to select the title. And we have the columns. So let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. And it should reproduce the contingency table. And as you can see, it did. Can you see that there? So you'll know if you're doing this right if it's able to reproduce the contingency table that you have. And sure enough, it did right there. So let me go back and make sure that we understand these selections. Tables, contingency with summary. Select both columns, hold down your control key to select both columns, and then the row variable, just select the underscore because that's what's in the title, and then hit compute, and it should give you this result right here. Right below here, you see that it will give us a chi-square statistic. So 17.241 is the test statistic. And the p-value is also reported here, and you can see it's extremely small. So it's going to be 0.0000. And do the results suggest the polygraphs are effective? Okay, well, in other words, is there a dependency? Well, since the p-value is very small, i.e. smaller than 0.05, then there is a dependency, so therefore there is sufficient evidence to warrant rejection of the claim, okay, that it's independent. So C is going to be the appropriate response. B and D are out because it says there is not. Okay, A is possible, but notice that A is talking about an accuracy. Okay, and remember, we're not assessing accuracy, we're assessing independence. Thank you.